A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45. Tornado emergency for Taylor, Jones, and Callahan counties. The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a tornado warning for southern Jones County in west central Texas, northern Taylor County in west central Texas, northwestern Callahan County in west central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado over Hodges, or over Holly, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous tornado capable of producing catastrophic damage. Locations impacted include Abilene, Impact, Caps, Tuscola, Buffalo Gap, Hamby, Holly, Ty, Lawn, Hodges, Clyde, and Baird. Precautionary preparedness actions. This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay, seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room of the lowest level of a structure, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from this tornado.